Hello, welcome to my channel. I am so grateful to have you here today. We are making a grilled salmon and brie cheese sandwich. Everything that you will be needing for this recipe: lettuce, fresh garlic, red onion, tomato, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, brie cheese, garlic salt, Old Bay seasoning or your favorite seasoning of choice, butter, ciabatta bread or whatever bread you love, salmon fillet, avocado oil or spray. Okay, let's start prepping all of our ingredients. Now you want to turn your pan on medium heat. Let it heat up a little bit. Now that the pan is hot, you want to add your salmon. Now that your salmon is cooking, you just want to add a little bit of seasoning to the top. Now I'm going to melt some butter and garlic in a pan. Now I'm going to turn my salmon over. I'm just removing the skin. I'm going to add my garlic to the top of the salmon. Now let's lightly toast our bread. Now let's slice our brie cheese. Now let's add our brie cheese and slightly melt it. Now that we have our lightly toasted bread, we are going to assemble. I'm going to add mayonnaise to the top and the bottom. I'm going to add Dijon mustard. Sandwich was inspired by a little restaurant in Idaho, and I went to lunch with one of my aunts and I just wanted to recreate something similar, and I think I did. I want to try it and see how it tastes. This was so yummy. I cannot wait for you to try it for yourself. Until next time, bye!